Hello friends, welcome to Full House Kitchen. Today we bring you one of my favorites, easy and healthy side dish, roasted Brussels sprouts. It's super rich in nutrients and the caramelized flavor that comes from pan roasting is so irresistible. And this is such a quick recipe, just ready in about 5 to 10 minutes. It's tender yet crispy, it makes it perfect side dish for your lunch or dinner. So friends, to start off, we have washed the Brussels sprouts and we'll chop off and discard the stem and cut in half lengthwise. And Brussels sprouts have a great nutritional values. They are low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins and minerals. And also they are excellent source of protein and calcium. So this makes it a great choice of vegetable to eat. And a little tip while buying the sprouts, friends, look for smaller sprouts because these tend to be sweeter, and also make sure the leaves are tight and firm because loose leaves indicate older sprouts. And the fresher the sprouts are, the less bitter it will taste. So now we have cut our sprouts and we're going to pan roast them. And for roasting, we have used here a cast iron pan. And this, you can use the regular pan as well, but we would recommend this cast iron because it tastes really good and it really adds to the flavor of any grilled veggies or any roasted. And we are also going to add some cherry tomatoes in here, and I love the combination of sprouts and tomatoes any point in time. And for the spices, we are going to add rosemary, and I didn't have the fresh one, but I have that in the dry one in my pantry, so I'm using that. Or you can use the fresh one. And also some minced garlic, which I had cut it before. And for the salt, we are using the garlic salt, but that really adds to the flavor. But if you don't have it, you can even use the regular salt, and we'll roast them on medium flame. And sprouts cooks very fast, friends, so we should not be cooking for more than 5 to 7 minutes. And you have to be careful not to overcook them because this tends to give them a bitter flavor and it may diminish the nutritional value too. So we do want to utilize that the good things it comes with. So now it's been already a couple of minutes since I'm roasting them, and it's looking like it's getting done so nicely. So now sprouts are almost done, and I really like the look of it. It looks tender and yet crispy, and will remove off the flame. And now I'm going to add a magic ingredient, I would say, aged red wine vinegar, and it really adds to the flavor to the sprouts and it makes them a little bit juicy too. And a little bit parsley, which I had chopped before, will garnish sprouts with that, and our sprouts are ready. And now I'll give them a final mix and our sprouts are ready to be served. So hope friends you like our recipe, and please do not forget to like and subscribe our channel if you haven't done already. And please let us know your comments and feedback. We'll look forward to hear that. And thank you so much for watching.